Bank holiday. Sorry. It was a bank holiday. Fucking bitch. No trading today. Yeah. So August is over. So good PA is back. All the people are back from vacation. All those fucking market makers. In back testing. So hopefully we can improve a little bit. I'm gonna lock in. You know, it's low-key good that today was a bank holiday. I need some time off from the markets to really reflect because things have been ass lately. Not gonna lie. Shit just has been dick water on my tip. I need to reflect on these weeks. I'm gonna put. I need to do like a weekly reflection. Look back at all my trades. Maybe start like journaling every trade in an actual notebook. That shit might help me a little bit. But it's really, this week was really coming down to too early of entry, not waiting for the 5-minute retracements, and I'm just getting ahead of myself, thinking I need to trade every single day. So, tears to cry. Oh Lord, no looking back this time. Yeah, I don't know why I'm marking this shit out. Okay, so let's look at the hourly. The hourly's bullish, but we just came off of London highs. Yeah, I don't know why I have this marked out either. Higher time frame wise, kind of far away from everything. Let's see how we react off of this sweep. Okay, so we're filling a 15-minute gap, I believe. Yeah, we're bullish. Just because we're the higher time frames trending, and that fact that we're not disrespecting any liquidity. We just came off a 15-minute gap, bullish SMT off that 5-minute gap. I just want that 4-hour high there. Okay, see, now the indexes are opposite, so this could go either way. But I would prefer to sweep out this London low, and then we could continue high. Ooh. Okay. I mean, potential entry. We didn't inverse that one, so I'll just wait. I kind of want to be patient here. Yeah, now I really want to sweep it. I want to see London low get hit. We have relative. I think London low for sure will get hit on ES. We just inverse back to the upside. Wait, was this a? These are relative equal, so I'm gonna wait. I think ES can draw price lower. Come on. Okay, thank you. So we got a 5-minute SMT, and we're gonna take this low real quick, and then we'll trade longs. Okay, we broke. So it's kind of sucks that we're not gonna take London low, but I can definitely. Not that we're not, but I could definitely see price fading it away. I'll just set little long position here, stops at the body because we broke structure. Hold on. What?
Because I'm feeling kind of lonely and gay. I want my gay boyfriend coming.
No, why'd you call?
Why I called who?
What?
Who called who? That man's been on the call. I called you.
Yeah, why?
Why not? He's horny.
Back testing. Have fun at work, nigga.
We're both back testing. We're still on the call.
Okay. Yeah, I guess I'll enter. Oh, fuck. Okay, well, although we took London low, Knew I should have waited. Knew I should have fucking waited. But we're kind of overextended now. There we go. There's the long. There's that fucking long. It's a real nice V-shaped recovery. We already broke, yeah. SMT, I don't care that we're in 5-minute bearish because higher time frame super. Okay, yeah. Making a mistake here, but yeah, the higher time frame super bullish. Yeah. Go ahead and enter. Alright, what's going on? Might go break even, dude. Whoa, whoa, how did we come this far up on fucking... Okay, dude, I've been in this shit too fucking long. That just sucked. Second trade later, chopped. That's fine. I'm not even a journalist. I know what I did wrong. Shouldn't have taken that first trade. Fuck. I'll still end the week. Oh my god, I'm straight red this. Oh my days, dude. Not good, dude. Not good at all. I gotta lock in. What the fuck? I was so confident in that second one, too. It was just, should have gone break even. Swept out that high on both. Kind of in chop work. We bullish on the higher time frame. Coming off of London lows. And this hourly low. And this Asia low, which we made a bullish SMT off of. If we want to reverse, I would be very open to it. Feeling this 5-minute equilibrium on both. Kind of chop work. One-minute SMT off this low. Bullish candle, let's wait for a break. We never broke on NAS either. Still have the SMT. Okay, we invalidated it just now. Invalidated it. This is gay. Oh, it's so gay. I don't know. Market doesn't have a direction it wants to go. Shake that thing, drive me crazy. Get up. Okay. Now we have no SMT. Now we have a bearish SMT. Oh, I don't like this, dude. I don't want to take anything. Could take a long somewhere. I don't know. Dude, I gotta make it back. I gotta make it back. I gotta make it back. A+ setup. Longs are easy here. Except CPI. Yeah. No, dude. Every time this shit happens. Okay, This was a great pullback. Great pullback for the higher time frame trend. I'm not even gonna lie. So this sets us up good if we want to take longs. Here, but nah. I'll wait. And it's chop work. It's chop work on here. Could long it, but nah. I don't know, dude. This looks like shit. Kind of getting a little bit pissed off here. Because P is just dog shit. Surprised September 11th isn't a bank holiday. Dude, I don't like this. Do have a bullish SMT off of Asia lows, even though this is a leading bullish in the higher time frame. I don't like this. I don't like this. That's not a fucking long. Fuck no. RR was so dick. Market's just not presenting me with opportunities to trade. And it's really angering me because, like, I'm having these losing weeks, but it's because it's only one day, dude. I don't understand why there's not a lot of entries. By being, like, too, hands off or some bullshit? Like, I don't understand. Bearish S&P makes ES leading, higher time frame, broke 4-hour structure, an hourly bearish, technically, yeah. An hourly bullish here is the 4-hour. In the moment, I'm just gonna pay attention to the 5-minute, wherever that wants to go. Indexes are complete opposite right now. The alt price is bearish, but I really this is chop work, dude. It's chop work. Like, what is this? I don't understand. Pain, legend. Okay, and now we're just gonna trend straight bullish. Seen this shit way too many times to even fucking count. There's no point in even marking this shit out. Next day. Still ass. Okay, we're opening lower, dude. Where are our draws? They're closing below that low. Well, I don't know what this is. Why is it, I don't know. I don't know why ES dumped and we didn't on the other index, but I hate when market does this shit. Gosh darn it, dude. I hate when we do this, bro. I feel like I'm tweaking, but I'm not, bro. Look at this barcode. Oh my days, dude. Can't catch a break from this price action. And then I'm like, I'm pissed that there's no trades because I can't fucking make back money that I lost if there's not a trade. All the girls get up on it, and we're dumping. Bearish S&T, no retreat, of course. I guess. Oh, we're poking into a 5-minute gap with this low, with the bearish S&T. Maybe we'll get an entry somewhere along the line, but we have to inverse now, inverse now, inverse now, break, break, inverse. Okay, we're bullish now. Like, bruh. Never mind. Could still be bearish. Yeah, we inverse, but we also have another gap below. Okay. Fill the 1-minute gap as well. Come on, please hit. Yes. It's finally an A+ setup, dude. Okay, making a little bit of progress. Actually, no, I'm not, dude. I'm down a shit ton. Just took London lows. 5-minute open bullish on one. We also have a potential. Let's see if we want to rotate higher. Okay, good rejection. Took London lows, so we didn't take these lows. Let's see if we want to come higher. Inverse a gap or something. We did fill this 30-minute gap, so this 5-minute retrace low-key could just be to send price lower, so pay attention. Okay, never mind. But the fact that we closed so deep. Oh shit. Okay, we held the 5-minute gap. That's wild. That didn't break on here. I'm gonna take what price gives though. So we inverted. So okay, this could be retrace to move lower, retrace to move higher. I just gotta stay patient here. We did just invert that one on both, but I'm gonna wait until the 5-minute closes to see. Okay, I'm entering just because we inverted that 5. Where are our draws? All the way up here. Oh, that's not that big of a move, actually. Yeah. Banger. Banger. Maybach music. So price goes onto site after breaking. All the girls get up. All the girls get up. Shake that thing and drive me crazy. Get up. Get it up. Get it up. Boom, 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 boom. On the way to the liquor store. Do me in, I got nothing wrong. Too much game to be sipping on. I'm in the club, so you showing no. I know. Came to have a fucking party. I know it's about time to get shit started. You know that I'm a bad man. Nobody can do this like I can. Get up. Okay. 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 Yeah, okay, so this is what we're gonna see. So higher time frame, we're obviously trending bullish. The draws to the downside aren't great. We're filling gaps and we're trending higher. Overall, we're trending a bit higher. Made a 15-minute SMT. Broke 1 minute structure. See, like, this could be longs, but dog, it's too early to decide, you know. Five-minute did inverse, and we just broke back to the upside on ES. Whereas NAS, we never broke back to the downside. We held this 1 minute gap for so long. And we just have that SMT. I think I'm gonna hammer longs here. Yeah, just because we also inverted that 5 minute gap. I'll enter longs. Where's that high? This high isn't. It's pretty prominent actually. Okay, you can run tighter stops, I guess. Okay. Alright, banger, 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 banger. That was kind of scary, but ES showed that we wanted to go higher. That's all good. And tighter than usual stops, but it was all good. Price came down for like 15 minutes. I remember this day just because it was my, or I don't remember what trade I took. Well, I remember I lost on my birthday. I didn't remember if it was shorts or longs or anything, but I know TJR took a trade that day, and he won, and I lost, and I just remember that because my birthday. I want to see what he took.
Me, I barely even type. Good morning, glitches in the Matrix. Jeez, bro. Alright, guys. Market is about to open.
43K this week in September, dude. What? I was down so much.
Okay. Market just opened.
What did I take this day?
Just gonna go ahead. Alright, guys. Alright.
Dude, he's been trading a lot more than I have. What? September? Yo, okay. I gotta figure this shit out because I gotta watch his recaps, dude. He traded 16th? How did he trade 16th?
Market just opened. Market just opened.
I got stopped there. And he traded the 15th and lost as well. And he traded the 12th and lost as well. So that entire... So yeah, 12th... What is this?
Highs, which are those data highs?
I traded the 11th. Okay, and then what is this day? The 9th? Did I trade the 9th? No. Traded the 8th and lost twice on longs.
Alright, bros, let's get started. It's a no news Monday, so honestly, I'm not really expecting. I'm looking at this right now, and if we want to go low, we're going to shit the bed on ES. But
Dude, that's chop work. I entered during chop work there. And then what was today? Yeah, I didn't even fucking look at.
hey guys, this is how I made 420. Alright, let's jump right into it. Alright guys, market is about to open. We have the fan sound.
Damn, he took shorts after we inverted a 5. And we lost the first one. But we did make an SMT, so. What happened after this? Chop work? Like, how did he enter during this? How did he win? He eventually came down. I need to start watching these, dude, but fuck do you enter during this shit? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna watch these more. I don't know why I haven't been watching them. Gotta see what I'm doing wrong. That should help. I'm gonna do another week and then I'll watch his videos on what trades he took. Okay, so coming to the day, we're more bearish than bullish, obviously. Yeah. Okay, market opened. We're kind of reversing order flow here. Like a lot. We didn't end up sweeping anything though. And then we have an SMT off London highs potentially, but this little whoa. Why is the 15-minute bugging? This little SMT potentially, but we are in 30-minute bullish. It's kind of like we're holding the hourly gap as well. I mean, you gotta stay patient here. Like, okay, are we gonna inverse this 1 minute? Oh my, how? That's twice in 31 minutes? So stupid. Are we gonna break here? ES still hasn't showed us confirmation. And then we got it, but let me just throw on the highs. I don't like this, dude. Like, just the way it's just been taking us so long to break out of this little area. Okay, and then we finally get it, and then it's too fucking late. But we did just invalidate the SMT there. It's just the draws are gone. Draws are gone. We have previous day high, and that's about it. So, did he take this? Let's see. Monday, 22nd. Yes, he did.
I saved enough to take my mom on a cruise. Let's,
Okay. So, 2 minutes until market opens.
Well, he didn't take what I thought he would.
I would prefer if
Longs on ES at 10:17. Let's see. What? Right here is when he entered. I mean, dude, that makes 0 sense. That's a dumbass trade.
sit and see. This is I'm like, I very well could be done trading for the day right now. There's probably still a setup to take.
Yeah. Oh shit! Why did I X that out? Yeah, he knew he shouldn't have taken that. Chop work alert. Chop work alerts. Okay, dude, this is so zest fast. 4 hour filled the gap. 4 hour came down, took out Asia lows. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, this is low-key more ideal that we're coming down, because there's no draws to the downside. There's no way we're bearish here. Can't think of a situation where price would want to come lower. But main problem here is that, I mean, we just took London highs here, which is a bearish SMT. I don't necessarily think price wants to go lower off of that though. It's a chop fest. There's no way I can enter anything. Anything here, especially we invalidate a 5-minute SMT, yeah. Okay, if we're gonna put equal highs in like that though. Why is it so choppy? Choppa. It's just chop work, dude. What? Like this could be a long 5-minute SMT, 1-minute break. Just too choppy. Let's see. There's no way he traded today. Yeah, he traded the next day. Higher time frame's bullish, hourly is definitely bullish. 4 hours probably respecting a 4-hour gap. So, hourly, if we had no, we actually broke 4-hour structure on both. Open lower, trade higher. This is beautiful. Took London lows. All we're waiting for is a 1-minute break. I'm not even lying. Although this is pretty bearish on the 5. It's so bearish on the 5-minute. Took out Asia lows. We have previous day low. That's like our last draw, and we're so bearish. I mean, wouldn't doubt if price wants to come down there. Filled the 5-minute. Barely though. Let's break real quick on the 1-minute. Beautiful. And then break to the downside. Beautiful, but however, that's like not that great. Not that great, not gonna lie. Did we fill equilibrium? I just want a stronger candle close here, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, it just doesn't look great. Inverted the 5-minute, but immediate rejection out of it. Still in the equilibrium range with this low below. I mean, we came so close to it that I think, and that's such a stronger draw. Still in the 4-hour gap. Yeah, we broke. I was bullish, but the fact that we came so low, the 10 a.m. close, super bearish. Inverted. Let's just wait for one. Yeah, I'm gonna enter short here. All the girls get up. No. Come on, dude. Deliver. Deliver. Yes. 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 So close to getting stopped out. Okay, the reason I didn't care about the 5-minute there, that was a reversal of hopes and dreams. Okay. Hourly closed very bearish while holding a 4-hour gap. Price did end up inversing B5, but I did not really care because we had relative equal lows with previous day lows and the higher time frame. Much more bearish with everything aligning. Let's see if TGR, what TGR took.
Mark,
I dare you to let me build you a completely free e-commerce store, preload.
Can you take the same
come on. Now is the time.
On NQ. At 10:06. Yeah, it is the same thing.
That we can kick shit up. So inverse this gap here. You use your pickaxe.
What the
And
fuck?
you pick.
Okay, I mean, why do I keep closing that shit on accident? Pause. These videos definitely help me, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Everything's better when you get free. He was down like me just at the beginning of the month, so. Yeah, all the girls get up. All the girls get up. Yeah, these highs are just so far away. The draws to the downside also so far away. I mean, that's much further away than the lows. We have a 30-minute low. I mean, we just have a couple lows. But that's what we're trending towards. We're making lower highs, lower lows. Market opens, we're dumping. Let's get a 5-minute retrace. Please get a 5-minute. Oh, fuck. Now we're getting a 5-minute retrace. Rejecting out of the gap. How far away are we from the actual swing low? Wow, there's no fucking way. There is a low here somewhere. No, there's not. We're way too far away from that low, dude. See, like, I hate when are we overextended? Not really. We filled that 15-minute gap, then we came up. Now we're filling the 5. And we just broke. Dude, I'm low-key. I'm going to take something that I wouldn't usually look at. I'm gonna take this down to this low, go break even at that internal low. I'll take profits there and then just trail whatever. So I think we can dump here. Okay, so wow, that's scary. Oh, I fucked that up bad. Wow, alright. I guess here, yeah, we actually were overextended, dude. Because I didn't even click on the hourly, so. Overextended, higher time frame. I was just looking at the 15-minute. That sucks. Let's see.
Top of the morning.
Okay, you didn't trade that, Dave. Alright, this is my last day. Hopefully it can be a W. Alright. Alright. Okay. Alright, okay. So, trending bullish. Didn't really sweep out a draw. 5-minute. About to close bullish. Let's get a pullback before we take that high on ES. Are those equal? Fuck. We took them. Now I really just gotta see, because we don't really have draws back to the upside. We're in this 4-hour gap, but we closed pretty deep inside of it. It depends. Did we make a We made a 5-minute gap, so we'll just see how we react on ES. Everything's better when you spend time. Dude, like ES looks really bullish, bro. Okay, we made relative equal highs. We're about to break 5-minute structure. London lows are below us, and I didn't even notice this SMT until now. We held this 5-minute gap, but barely. I think, okay, because the higher time frame's so bullish, nah, I'm gonna wait and see. Okay. I was going to say, because the higher time frame's so bullish, I want to take London lows and then we can rotate higher from there. But now it's getting to a point where it's just too late and it just doesn't look great. Let's see if we want to maybe, because we have relative equal highs. Inverted a 5 just then. Let's close bullish here, retracing the 5. We're about to, yeah. It doesn't look, I don't know how TGR traded today. I mean, this actually looks really good for shorts. Because the higher time frame. I mean, you could take shorts here. It's just too late for me. Okay, I would have gotten stopped anyway. How did he trade?
Guys, market open.
Took shorts.
Navan, the #1 rated business travel platform, lets your team book work travel in one place. Flights, hotels, cars, while staying within. Navan, the #1 rated business travel platform,
You
lets your
fucking
team book
serious?
work travel in one place. Flights,
It would be so freaking good. Okay, so boom, this 5-minute candle closed. Yes, awesome. Boom, we got above these highs. This is gorgeous. So now it's just waiting for that reversal.
I'm curious, dude. I don't understand. Yeah, we made a huge SMT.
Like I said, I literally want to go short here.
The higher time frame is so
Maybe I
bullish.
go like low risk. Toss a low risk short on right here. I'm gonna do that. Yep, stops above these highs.
I don't know. No confirmation there. Let's check out the journal. So I did 3 weeks. We did pretty well actually. We went 4 and 3. Had some good RRs. Let's see what it did to the stats. Should have boosted it. This was much better. I'm gonna continue to watch the recap. So still same win rate. Boosted the RR a bit. Gonna keep chipping away. This hasn't been too great so far. How many? Yeah, it hasn't been great at all, but I'm gonna keep chipping away. We're gonna keep doing this shit. I'm gonna get better, and then everything's just gonna just tidy everything up. Chop it off. Follow everything that I need to follow. Alright, boys, I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for you. If anyone's even watching this, I'll see you later.